Welcome to Quick Bite, your fast and friendly Florida insurance update.
Hello, hello, hello. My name is Roshonda, agency owner of the Isom Insurance Group, right here in the Sunshine State of Florida. And welcome back to another Quick Bite episode. Today is Wednesday, hump day, September 10th, 2025, and we're tackling a major headline: the true cost of homeowners insurance in 2025. Let's break it down. A new Bankrate analysis, as seen on the screen, found that the annual cost of homeowners insurance nationally now is $2,470. That's about $206 per month. That's roughly 3.18% of median household income. But again, as you can see, in states like Louisiana, Nebraska, and there we go, Florida, homeowners are paying much higher percentages of their paychecks just to stay insured. So let's look at the extremes. On the high side, we have Louisiana at $6,274 per year, about 10.78% of income. Next, we have on the list, on the high side, is Nebraska, which is right here, which they are about 6,425 per year at 8.61%. Then we go up back to our great state of Florida. And as you can see, it's about $5,735 is average annual premium, and that equates to about 7.82% of income spent. On the low side, we have down towards the bottom, Vermont, which is about $834 per year, which is only about 1.0% of income spent. And then we also have New Hampshire, which comes in the number 2 spot with the lowest at $1,036 annual premium and 1.07% of income spent. In metro areas, the costs are even heavier. So in New Orleans, only nearly 18% of income goes toward home insurance. In Miami, it's over 13%. So that's what equates to the higher numbers in Louisiana and Florida. All right, so again, according to the Bankrate analysis, since 2023, home insurance premiums have risen 9% nationally, adding about $209 per year. Some states saw big spikes. California up 41%, Michigan up 29%, but a few states saw relief. Florida premiums actually dropped by 9%, which was about $579 on average, thanks in part to the legislative reform that went through. Alaska also saw a decrease of 17%. So, why are premiums climbing so fast? One word: risk. Extreme weather, such as hurricanes, wildfires, floods, tornadoes, have made claims more frequent and severe. In 2023 alone, weather-related damages topped $93 billion. And as you can see in this article, in 2024, extreme weather events cost the U.S. upward of $181 billion. Add in soaring construction costs, labor shortages, and insurers have little choice but to raise rates. In high risk areas, non renewals are now 80% higher than in lower risk zones, pushing some homeowners onto expensive backup plans like state fair plans. These increases are squeezing families hard. In New Orleans, home insurance is eating up nearly 1/5 of household income. That's not sustainable. Even in Florida, where rates have dipped slightly, affordability remains a huge issue. Experts call for this sleeth inflation rising costs that slowly eat into budgets. So, what can you do? Because we don't want to just talk about the problem, we want to talk about solutions. Here are a few ways to help manage costs. Raise your deductible to lower premiums. Remember, the higher you go up on your deductible, you're saying to the insurance company, I will pay out more for damages. You take on less of the risk. The insurance company rewards you by giving you a lower premium. Next, consider bundling your home and auto policies if that is available. Some companies may not have a true bundle, but they do give you a discount if you have an auto policy or auto policy with your current agent that you have your home with. Invest in storm-proofing your home. Shop around regularly. And this is something we do for our customers. At renewal, we're always remarketing the policy without them even having to ask. So make sure you're with the agency that does the same, because you never want to assume your renewal is your best option. They should always be checking the market for you. So here's the quick bite recap. National average of homeowners insurance is about $2,470 per year, or 3.18% of your income. High cost states such as Louisiana, Nebraska, and Florida. Some relief in Florida and Alaska, but most states are climbing fast. Climate risk, disasters, and construction costs are driving premiums. Affordability is the number one challenge facing homeowners in 2025. Bottom line, the true cost of home ownership isn't just your mortgage. Always do this. You got to count in your insurance and your taxes. But insurance is now at a crisis level expense for millions of families. Now that we've covered the takeaways, let's look ahead. Experts predict that home insurance will remain a moving target in 2026. Legislative reforms, new building codes, and even technology like AI-driven underwriting could shift the market. But for families, the reality is this: staying informed and being proactive is the best defense. Think of it this way: insurance isn't a one and done purchase. It's something that requires regular checkups, just like going to the doctor or getting your car serviced. Reviewing your policy at least yearly. I strongly recommend this. We send this to all of our customers at their renewal with a link to schedule an appointment to review their policy, even if it's just a phone appointment or they can come into the office. This is very imperative. Things change. Your home characteristics could change. I have customers that add pools, customers that add new screen enclosures, customers that get solar panels. This is very important. Always review your policy at least yearly to make sure there are no gaps in coverages. Asking the right questions and making updates as life changes can help keep you protected and save money in the long run. And that's your quick bite for Wednesday, September the 10th, 2025. The true cost of homeowners insurance. What about you? Are your premiums up, down, or staying the same? Drop your experience in the comments. I'll love to hear from you. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more updates, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a quick bite episode. Normally, I drop them about 2 p.m. Monday through Friday. I'm Roshonda with the Isom Insurance Group. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. And remember, this video is for educational purposes only. Every situation is unique. So please review your policy and speak with a licensed insurance professional about your specific coverage needs. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Visit us at isomInsuranceGroup.com.